Hey guys, it's been like 5 days. I don't even know where to start. Oh, we've gone to Lowe's. Yeah! We have some exciting things that have happened. Guys, I'm so bad at recording. I'll get there. All right, so we've gone to Home Depot, we've gone to Lowe's with the owners, and we have picked up everything that we need. Let me show you what we've got. All right, so first of all, this is our tub. The reason being is because this tub, oh, and we have power. How exciting. This tub, I don't know if you can tell, but it's previously been reglazed, you know, resurfaced, however you want to say that, but it is totally coming apart. We're going to rip this out, and then we're going to do just a tub and then tile all the way to the ceiling. So it'll be good because this is warped anyway, this paneling, so that'll come down, and then we'll have tile all the way to the top. Obviously I need to scrub and bleach the ceiling because it has just a little bit of mold spots from how much moisture is in here. New vanity. Let me show you what that looks like. So this is the tub. You know, she's basic. This is the vanity we're going with. She's cute. This is the black matte, yeah, faucet set. And then this is the tile that we're doing. We're doing Subway. Yeah, if I can pull one out. Well, whatever. Subway tile. And then we're gonna do also Subway tile in the kitchen, but smaller, because those are pretty big. But we're gonna do small Subway tiles, and we're gonna do stacked horizontal. And in the bathroom, it's gonna be stacked vertical. So that's exciting. Refrigerator is coming today. Very excited for that. And I have so much to do. It's good. It's very gray outside today. So not a lot of bright sunlight coming in, but that's okay. So today, my job is to pull up all the tacking strips on the floor. And then what I would like to do is pull out all these nails, spackle, fill in the holes, and get it ready for sanding. I'm gonna take those curtain rod hangers down, and the previous owners or tenants had kids, so there's lots of little stickers all over the ceiling. So I'm gonna pull those down. So that's what we're doing. The easiest way to do that, so I'm going to YouTube it. Easiest way to remove tack strips from floor. A shovel. Really?
If you actually put your primer on it and you pry up like this, it'll leave a pin that's probably about 2 inches around. But if you do it this way, where you actually get onto the nail.
Well, the refrigerator came and was damaged, so gotta send that back. We'll get another one. And look what I found on the side of the road, you guys. I put a sign because I was afraid that someone would come back and take it. So anyway, get that off. But this is gonna be our, for now, coffee bar once we're actually moved in. Ew, what's that? Gross. Coffee bar with storage. She's cute. I'm gonna give her another coat of white paint. We're gonna do a good polyurethane clear coat on top so that, you know, coffee spills and stuff don't ruin it. But it is solid wood. Just need to get some cool knobs for it. And it is gonna go right there. So this is gonna be our coffee bar nook. So this is all gonna go away, obviously. My husband's gonna replace the paneling here, so it's a brand new sheet. And of course, new piece of trim there. And then that dresser is just gonna go right here. And we're gonna have our Nespresso, coffee maker, milk frother, all that stuff here. And then of course in here, this is gonna be the dining room, which I'm very excited for. Here is the bathroom, the current state of it. So we are putting in a brand new tub, and then we are doing tile on all 3 walls, all the way up to the ceiling. I cannot wait. Everything's been pulled out, so we are ready to go on that. And we've gotten ourselves organized. Some of the stuff is in here. Bathroom stuff is in this bedroom. And today, I am finishing getting up the tack strips. I just did this, and the only wall I have left is this wall. So let's go.